Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of the previous session, we have seen how exactly we can generate the built-in reports. Now let us see how exactly we can generate a custom reports like one among that option is an Allure, which is the most commonly and widely used reports. In order to work on this particular Allure reports, there are three things that you need to consider. The first and a foremost thing is a one-time installation process, which is an Allure Playwright that we need to install as a node package. So let me copy this particular command. Let me come back to my program. Okay, VS Code editor, and in the terminal paste this command and hit this enter button. As and when you have a hit this enter button, so the package it got installed successfully. And if you look at this particular package.json that we have used in order to update it earlier with respect to the scripts, right? See here, Allure Playwright, this version got installed successfully. Okay, Allure Playwright got added successfully. Perfectly all right. And then the next thing out over here is within your reports, which is a configuration file, you can specify reporters is equal to Allure Playwright. So that's the thing. Let me go to the Playwright config. Earlier we have this multiple types of a report. I just commented out and I just placed this Allure Playwright. At whether we can specify this one or whenever you are learning on from your command line, you can just give this as an Allure Playwright. So now what it's gonna happen is once after you generated this particular report, okay, let me try to run this program so that you will better understand this step. So here I'm just trying to execute my program. Okay, I'm just trying to execute my program right now. All the four tests got executed. And once after this program got executed, see here, Allure reports, a folder got, Allure results, a folder got generated for me. Let me expand these Allure results, and if you look at it, basically the information is in the form of a JSON and some other types of a format, which is really tough for us to understand that. So in order to generate the report in a better understanding format, you are going to use Allure generate a report into this from the results folder to a new output folder as an Allure report. So let me copy it and let me paste this command, and whenever you hit this enter button, right now, if you look at it, after executing this one, a new Allure report folder got generated. Okay, a new Allure report folder got generated in which the details about the report is there. And in order to open that particular report, the next command that you need to trigger is Allure report. Open is the command that you need to trigger with which the report will be launched. See here, this is what the report is. It's stating that you executed 4 tests and 100% it got passed, and you executed on a Chromium, and these are the various tests that it was executed 1 2 3 4, and this is what the individual time is inside the suit or inside the graphical representation, the timeline, behavior, everything about that particular report, a much more detailed information about that report will be populated as part of this particular Allure reports. So this is a simple way, guys. So just there are three most important steps that you need to configure. The first step is installation, which is a one-time activity, and the next step is configuring the config file. And the third step is once after the execution got generated, generate an Allure report folder, and which just simply open this one using the Allure keyword so that automatically this will be executed. Okay, perfectly all right. So this is the way how exactly we can generate this particular Allure reports. Okay, see you again in the next session with the next topic. Thank you.